The biggest advantage that most people do not understand is once you pay a fee and join this program and learn the process, it's a one-time fee and you can run this for your entire lifetime. And the biggest advantage is there is no office space required, hence no rental problems. There is again no office space required, so you don't have to pay 6 months advance to a office rental space, if you know what I'm talking about. There are no interior expenses to start this business because you're not having an office setup space. There is no additional electricity bills because you're going to be functioning from your house. All you require is a laptop, a phone, and an internet connection. And I'm sure 99% of people who are watching this video do have them. And the other beauty is there is no pre-purchase of stock. For example, like a clothing store or a grocery store where you need to pre-purchase stock, keep it in your showroom for people to come see, buy it, in which you end up profiting. Here, you just have to quote the clients whenever they have a travel requirement and profit over confirmations. So there is no headache, capital lock, or advance payments, or recurring monthly fixed expenses every single month. If you've understood what I've told you till now, that is probably because you understand how business functions. If not, try to understand that with any other business, you have a recurring monthly expense and an initial investment that you have to put to just start the business, and you need a runtime of funds to make sure that you are able to sustain for a certain period to start profiting out of this business. Here, none of it. It's 0 rupees except for the fee that you end up paying me.